Have you ever tried to imagine how emojis are inserted into WordPad document or Notepad documents? So if you look at this document, you don't have the option to actually insert emojis. So you can just type, for example, I can just say, hello, how are you? But you can't actually insert emojis. So to insert emojis in Notepad or WordPad, do the following. On your keyboard, just hit the Windows key and then dots. Here you can see it's going to give me the emojis. I can now decide to insert emojis. Here you can see we have the different emojis we can actually insert. So the same thing applies to Notepad. We can also do the same thing on Notepad. Click on the Notepad, hit your Windows key plus dots, and then we can also now insert all the different emojis. So if I just click on emojis, for example, here we can decide to eat some fries or some cars. Just enter or some love emojis. So with the combination of the Windows key on your keyboard plus dots, there you can actually have the option to insert emojis on a WordPad, Notepad, or even Word or other documents. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.